The Philips recall update, March 2022. I'm Chris with AffinityHM.com. I'm here trying to keep you updated on everything as it changes with the Philips recall. Just got something new in from the FDA. It's an order to Philips Respironics, and we're going to go over that. The DreamStation recall, which, as you know, the DreamStation was recalled. I hope you know. Along with some BiPAPs, other CPAP machines, a lot of different machines, even ventilators from Philips Respironics back in June. And just this month here in March of 2022, as a matter of fact, March 10th is the date of the letter. There is a new order from the FDA to Philips, and I'm going to share that information with you right now. Basically, in a nutshell, this information is the FDA saying to Philips, you have got to communicate better with everyone involved in the recall. So let me just read a little bit of this to you right now. Again, March 10th, today, the U.S. Food and Drug Administration issued a notification order to Philips Respironics requiring the company to notify patients and others recall of certain Philips Respironics ventilators, continuous positive airway pressure, and bilevel positive airway pressure machines, CPAPs and BiPAPs, and the unreasonable risk of substantial harm to the public posed by the degradation of the polyester-based polyurethane, or the PEPUR, the foam that they put in the CPAP machines that they use in their products. Because the company, and this is why they issued the order, because the company notification efforts to date have been inadequate. Says it right there. And the information goes on, the letter goes on to say the FDA is ordering Philips Respironics to notify all device users, durable medical equipment suppliers, distributors, retailers, and healthcare providers who prescribe the products about the recall and the health risk posed by the foam in the recalled machines. The FDA recommends that Philips provide monthly updates to the device users who registered their devices on the Philips website. So that's good news. So if you registered your device, the FDA is telling Philips Respironics that they need to give you at least monthly updates on what's going on. I've heard of people who registered way back in June of 2021 who just recently received an email that says, hey, your order is in process. However, it may be up to 12 months before we actually get it done. So that's really good news. And the FDA is directing Philips Respironics to do a better job with communicating with you guys. Also, to do a better job of letting us know about the current rate of the replacement of recalled devices. The FDA also recommends that Philips provide detailed information to device users, DME suppliers, distributors, retailers, and healthcare providers on the entire replacement process. So what we should get in the very near future is better communication, email updates on at least a monthly basis, and a better idea of exactly how Philips Respironics is going about responding and their process for taking care of the recalls. Hey, if you registered your device and you haven't had your machine replaced or repaired yet, please let us know in comments. Just type it in there. You know, I registered at this month, you know, and I haven't had it replaced yet. If you did get it replaced, let us know that too. Like, I registered here and I had it replaced here. So please, you know, comment and let us know. Please share this across the web to all of your social media. Also, please subscribe to this channel. I'll keep you updated. Every time something happens, you're going to know about it right here.